Josh is on assignment now.
Josh is on assignment now as he holds the camera.
That's why I'm not speaking. They might know it's me. You know?
They might know it's me.
I can't. I'm like, I want food. What am I supposed to do?
You use your trust. Today, what I made earlier, but what you think we're going to be making in the future, is some Freggs of two words that are actual words, but this one is not an actual word now. Fried fries and eggs. So, Freggs is basically what you get when you have your leftover fast food fries from that long night at night, and you couldn't eat them all because you passed out before you could finish them. So you wake up, you have a lot of fries, whether it's from McDonald's, Burger King, Cookout if you're in the South, In-N-Out if you're a crazy person, whatever you need. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take them, you're gonna have a pan heating up, maybe some oil. You wanna get fat or butter, it's good that way. You heat that up, you toss your fries in, you treat them like hash browns, and as you continue to add to your casserole, essentially, to top it off, you break some eggs on top, you break the yolks, you get it all wet, you crisp it up, you serve it, you smash it, you have your Freggs.
Well, I think we should see it.
Shall ya? Do you have a spatula somewhere?
Yes. Second drawer.
It's got to be strong enough to cut through the cold fry, the cold potatoes. You know.
Know anyone who drinks Monster?
So she thinks.
Does Monster go in the Freggs?
No.
Okay. Step 3, Monster does not go in Freggs.
Unless it almost is the ultra.
Then maybe. Alright, so we're coming over, we got fries, eggs, bacon.
Just a little bit. Ellie.
Now, what were you doing there?
Flicking the wrist, bro.
For what purpose?
Because it makes me feel cool. Alright. This does say June 11th on it, but we're probably good.
Yeah, just put it in a bowl of water and see if it floats to the top.
Katie did say that. Katie did say water.
Yeah. Any kind of water here.
Can someone help me?
Science
I was like,
experiment.
we're on a time crunch now. I did this at a late stage. Yeah, wasn't thinking with my egg head. You can add sausage if you want. We do. Oh, that was what I was gonna do. Yeah, shit. Actually, this is probably the perfect time to do that. All right, so now we're getting the barbecue pulled pork.
Come on down. I'm just gonna be getting the action shot here.
That's good stuff. Yeah, so you're probably just gonna want to get like just like a shot. Here, let me even it all the way out, right? So I'll probably actually just crank the heat in a second. Right the high.
Cranking up the heat.
I'm gonna grab it. So what I'm trying to do is crisp up that bottom. I don't know if this is the most effective way to do it. But I want to kind of even the top, get the bottom really crispy. So that way it's already further cooked than, again, the stuff on top, because then I'm going to break the eggs over top, and then we're going to flip, basically. Just for mixing. You know?
Looky there.
Alright, so we scrape. Yeah. Egg test on our side.
Drops egg.
Egg to say, so add a little moisture here. Alright, you ready? We're gonna just crack the yolk. Break them. Kind of just want to get the yolk all over there. Try to get everything kind of touched by the yolk off the top real fast. Remember, we made it kind of flat to crisp up the bottom. So now the top will be held together-ish by the egg. You can kind of see already the egg has also penetrated down to the bottom with most of it. We're going to turn the heat up quite a bit. We don't want it to stay wet and get weird and stringy. So, we turn it pretty high up, as you can see. We're just going to flip. Oh yeah, that's got to get done soon. Let the sun to burn. On top. Add any sauces for additional flavor, because a lot of these are relatively plain. Yeah. And now we're just going to kind of try to make sure everything is crispy. Right. Yeah, coming together as one. Alright. Can somebody do me a favor and grab plates? Right, Katie?
It's cute, right?